The digital age has transformed the way we live, work, and interact with one another. With the advent of technology, societies around the world have experienced significant changes in communication, business, and entertainment. The government's role in addressing digital challenges has evolved significantly, as it plays a crucial part in regulating and promoting a secure and inclusive digital environment. It encompasses aspects such as data privacy, cybersecurity, digital literacy, and fostering innovation while ensuring a level playing field for all stakeholders. Technology has revolutionized citizen engagement and empowerment by providing platforms for active participation in decision-making processes through online voting, survey tools, and social media engagement. Data governance and cybersecurity are crucial aspects of managing and protecting data in the digital space. Data governance involves defining policies, procedures, and controls to ensure data quality, integrity, and security. It also includes establishing processes for data access, usage, and storage, as well as compliance with regulations and standards. On the other hand, cybersecurity focuses on preventing unauthorized access, data breaches, and cyber threats by implementing technologies, practices, and measures to safeguard digital assets and information. Artificial intelligence is transforming governance by providing tools for data analysis, predictive modeling, and decision-making. This technology enables governments to enhance public services, optimize resource allocation, and improve policy formulation. Privacy and ethics in the digital age are crucial factors to consider as technology continues to advance. With the increasing amount of personal data being shared online, there is a growing concern about the protection of individuals' privacy. This has brought to light the importance of implementing ethical practices in the collection, storage, and usage of data in digital platforms. The role of government in regulating and fostering digital innovation is crucial for the growth and progress of the digital economy. By implementing thoughtful regulations, the government can provide stability and a level playing field for digital innovators, while also protecting consumers and ensuring fair competition. The potential future trajectory of government's role in shaping society is likely to involve a greater focus on regulation and intervention to address pressing issues such as inequality, climate change, and technological disruption. Governments may also prioritize collaboration with the private sector and civil society to achieve collective goals and foster innovation. This could lead to a more proactive and dynamic role for government in driving social and economic progress.